Good job. You got another round.
I'll take a picture of that.
I am. Play. I'm taking a video of you playing.
Look it.
Watch what you're doing. Play. Play and stop watching. You're going to lose. Watch out. You're going to lose. Oh, you're gonna. Oh, you lost that round. That's because you're watching me instead of playing. Okay, you gotta win the next one. Third and final round. You ready? You gonna try to win? Are you done?
Yes.
You're not gonna try to win this last round?
I don't want to play. I want to play a different game.
Okay.